Today we are going to see how to create a mini game in Scratch. Name of the mini game is Bell Burst. From the name you can understand which sprite are we going to use. We are going to use the bells. Now let's go to choose a sprite and grab some bells. If you want it in a straight way, you can change the direction from 90 to 77. Place it where you want. Delete the unwanted sprites. Now right click on the sprite and click on duplicate. Duplicate the sprite 2 times. Now let's choose a catchy backdrop. Click on choose a backdrop and go to patterns. Let's choose stripes. This background is okay. Now let's start the coding. Go to events. Take when flag clicked. Go to variables. Click on make a variable and type code. Take set my variable to 0 and change it to score. Now go to looks and take set size to 100% and change it to 70% if you want the difficulty level of your game to be high. Now go to control and take the forever loop. Go to motion and go to random positions. Now go to control and wait for 1 second and change it to 0.8 seconds. Now go to events. Take when the sprite click. Go to sound and play sound Xylo until done. Go to sounds and make sure the bell tone is available. Go to code and change the sound from Xylo to bell tone. Now go to variables and change my variable by 1 and change it to score. Go to control and take the if loop. Keep these both blocks inside the loop. Go to sensing and touching mouse pointer and place it in the gap. Our code is ready. Let's copy these codes to the other sprites by keeping them upon the sprites. Now go to the bell tool and go to sounds. Click on choose a sound and search for boing. Change the sound from bell tone to boing. If you keep a different sound for each and every bell, it will be very easy and interesting. Now go to choose a sound and type coin. Now go to bell and copy these codes to bell 3. Place them in a correct order and change the sound from bell tone to coin. Here our coding is ready. Now let's check whether the game works or not. We can hear 3 different sounds as we said. That means our game works. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.